Okay, so for this problem, we're to use the graph of our polynomial to solve the inequality. The first step we're going to want to do is to get all of our terms onto the same side of our equality, or our inequality. So we're going to subtract 7x and subtract 6. And so we've got this polynomial here, which I'll underline in red, is greater than 0 is our inequality. And so I've gone ahead and used the graphing software here to get us an image of our graph. And so you could do this with any calculator that you might have or plenty of online applications. And you'll see that